Sometimes, the most peaceful places aren't far away, they're just quietly waiting to be discovered. Tucked away in southern New Brunswick, this one invites you in with nothing more than a winding road, a few trees whispering in the breeze, and a sense that something special lies just ahead. Hello and welcome, I'm Kevin Varughese, a photographer and traveler passionate about capturing the quiet beauty of Canada's natural landscapes. Today, I'm taking you into the heart of Ganong Nature Park, a place shaped by history, cared for by community, and rich with the kind of stillness we often forget we need. Nestled along the serene banks of the St. Croix River, overlooking the Canada-US border, lies one of Charlotte County's hidden treasures, the Ganong Nature Park. A peaceful escape into nature, and a legacy rooted deep in the history of St. Stephen. The land where this park now flourishes was once part of the Ganong family's estate, yes, the very same Ganong family, renowned for founding one of Canada's oldest chocolate companies in 1873. But their contribution extended beyond sweets. They helped shape the culture, economy, and identity of this region. In 1996, this beautiful stretch of over 350 acres of coastal forest, meadows, salt marshes, and shoreline was donated by the family for a greater cause, to be preserved forever. Not for industry. Not for private ownership. But for nature, and for us. Today, Ganong Nature Park is maintained by a non-profit organization that works tirelessly to protect its ecosystems, educate the community, and keep this land accessible for generations to come. It stands as a symbol of conservation and community effort. A place where the wild can thrive, and where people can reconnect with the natural world. Whether you're a visitor to Charlotte County or a local resident looking for peace, this park offers more than just fresh air. It offers perspective. From the hilltops that rise gently over the St. Croix River, the views stretch across international waters into Maine, offering one of the most scenic vistas in all of southern New Brunswick. As you walk the trails, and there are many, from gentle loops to longer hikes, you'll hear nothing but the wind through the trees, the birds in the canopy, and your own footsteps on the earth. There are more than 7 kilometers of trails, including well-marked routes that take you through old orchards, wetland boardwalks, shaded forests, and open meadows. Each path offers something new. A unique moment. A stillness that's rare in today's fast-paced world. And for those who love wildlife, Ganong Nature Park is a quiet paradise. Along these trails, visitors have spotted deer, foxes, and even the elusive porcupine. Some have reported glimpses of a hedgehog scurrying beneath the underbrush, and countless birds fill the air with their calls. From warblers to hawks, owls to woodpeckers, birdwatchers will find endless fascination here, especially during the early morning and late evening hours when nature truly comes alive. If you can, plan your visit around sunrise or sunset. The golden light dances across the landscape, casting shadows through the trees and turning the river below into a ribbon of silver. It's a magical sight, best experienced in stillness. Many visitors say it's their favorite place to walk in the morning, or to end the day in reflection. It's perfect for solo walks, peaceful family outings, or quiet picnics in nature. But Ganong Nature Park is more than just a walking destination. It's a living classroom. A site for outdoor education, community events, and nature-based learning. Students, artists, hikers, photographers, everyone finds something here that speaks to them. The nonprofit behind this park continues to invest in its future, maintaining trails, improving signage, and running programs to educate the public on conservation, biodiversity, and the importance of wild spaces. By visiting, by sharing your experience, and even by watching this video, you're helping spread the word. In a world filled with noise, stress, and constant motion, there's something deeply healing about a place like this, where technology fades and time seems to slow down. So, whether you come here for a casual hike, a mindful retreat, or simply to take in the views, let yourself breathe. Let yourself listen. This land, once part of a family legacy, now belongs to all of us. And it asks for very little in return, only that we respect it, protect it, and allow ourselves to be touched by its quiet beauty. We're no longer just watching from above, we're being drawn into the heart of the park. A building, quietly tucked into the landscape. Modest, but purposeful. Perhaps it once served as a welcome point, a shelter, or simply a reminder that this park was built not just by nature, but by people who cared to preserve it. Just beyond it lies a unique feature, a small wooden footbridge. There's no water beneath. No stream, no crossing in the practical sense. It's a symbolic detail, a graceful passage designed to blend into the meadow. This little bridge adds charm, character, and a sense of rhythm to the path. A moment to pause, or play. A spot where children might skip over the rails, or where someone might stop just to take in the openness of the park. Step by step, the landscape unfolds, tall trees lining the edges, birds darting between branches, and wind brushing through the open grass. The fields below feel soft and open, leading us gently into the next part of the journey. The trail comes into view again, not paved or manufactured, but natural and inviting. It winds gently through the grass, leading toward a small structure up ahead. It's a reminder that design doesn't have to be grand to be beautiful. Sometimes a few simple planks over a soft dip in the land are enough to make a space feel cared for and intentionally welcoming. As the trail continues, so do we. You might hear the rustle of leaves, the call of a crow, or the soft crunch of gravel beneath your feet. These are the details that make this place feel alive. And while the scenery is peaceful, the spirit of Ganong Nature Park is active, growing, breathing, always inviting new visitors to explore. From above, everything comes together. The winding trails, the grassy fields, the forest edges, and the quiet spaces in between, all woven into a single, peaceful landscape. This is where you feel the full scale of Ganong Nature Park. A place that stretches not just across land, but across time, memory, and meaning. Every corner tells a story. Every path holds the footprints of those who've come to walk, to reflect, and to reconnect with something simpler. The further we rise, the more we see, not just the layout of the land, but the intention behind it. This isn't just nature untouched. It's nature cared for, protected, and shared. And in this moment, high above it all, we're reminded of how rare places like this truly are. Whether you're here for a brisk morning walk, an afternoon with the family, or a quiet place to reflect, this park meets you where you are. It offers silence when you need it, and beauty when you're ready to see it. As we rise once again, the full landscape comes into view, trails weaving through forest and field, soft hills stretching toward the horizon, and the ever-present Croix River in the distance. From above, you see the full picture. From the ground, you feel it. And maybe that's the magic of Ganong Nature Park. It doesn't ask for much, just your presence. In return, it offers something rare in today's world: space to breathe, time to slow down, and a deeper connection to the natural world. From here, the journey begins, and it's one worth taking. This park began as a gift, a legacy from the Ganong family, and today it continues to give. Not just to conservation or to wildlife, but to each of us who steps inside its borders and takes a moment to simply be. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If this video brought you peace, inspiration, or a deeper appreciation for the beauty of New Brunswick, I invite you to share it. And most of all, I encourage you to come see it for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback helps me grow and inspires me to keep capturing the beauty of nature across Canada.